SHANTUI SE17SR is one new generation mini hydraulic excavator. Besides the new appearance, it has many other advantages. It could be equipped with many optional equipment to meet the demands of worldwide customers. Japan-made Kubota engine meets Euro 5 and EPA 4 emission. Meanwhile, with load sensing system, it can realize high breakout force, low fuel, high efficiency, and quick response. The joysticks can have more accurate operations. The chassis can be adjusted freely at 900mm to 1300mm. The working device can easily dig on both sides of track. SHANTUI SE17SR is an expert in narrow space operation and will provide you with excellent operating experience.